Welcome to Mission 4, Lesson 6. Today, our objective or goal is I can represent number bonds with composition and decomposition story situations. Oh no, I have a number bond and no story. Who can help me? Use your 5-stick that we used in our word problem to help me make up a story. Think about missing numbers, and let's talk about a story to go with your picture. Does anyone have an idea? Go ahead and share your idea with someone at your home. You can pause the video now. I love puppy dogs, so this is the story I came up with. Sammy had 3 dog treats. Sally had 2 dog treats. Together, the dogs got 5 treats. 5 is the same as 2 and 3. If you have a piece of paper handy at your house, go ahead and draw this number bond with me. You can pause the video to get your number bond drawn. So let's look at that sentence. So here's my 5 sticks that represent Sammy, and here's my 2 sticks that represent Sally. And if we put those together, which is a composition, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So looking at that number bond, we're putting together, so we're composing 3 dog treats that Sammy had with the 2 dog treats that Sally had. And together, we're showing that 3 and 2 together equal 5. We can also write a number sentence that matches our number bond. 2 plus 3 equals 5. One dog had 3 bones. Another dog had 2 bones. Together, the dogs had 5 bones. Go ahead and write that number sentence to match your number bond. You may pause the video now. Let's try another one. Oh no, we have another empty number bond with empty circles. Could you use your linking cubes to help us solve the problem? Could one of my friends help me make up a story to go with this picture? So now how many are we starting with? Very good, we're starting with 4, and we want to break those into how many parts? 2. Go ahead and pause the video and work with your home learning partner to come up with a story that could match the situation. Here's the story I came up with. I have 2 sleeping cats and 2 awake cats. You see my 2 sleepy cats over here, and then I have 2 cats that are wide awake over here. That makes 4 cats in all. Let's fill in our number bond. So if you have a different story, that's absolutely fine. Just make sure you check it with someone at your house. Or if you didn't end up making up a story on your own, you're welcome to use this one. So remember, we started with 4. So I said we started with 4 cats. And how many of them did we say were sleepy cats? Very good, 2. And if you're using your linking cubes, here's my 2 that are sleepy cats. Okay, so I'm going to put my 2 over here. And then how many of the cats were awake? Look at those eyeballs. They're wide awake. We had 1, 2. So 4 can be broken apart into 2 and 2. Because 2 and 2 more equal 4. Let's count them. We started with these 2. 1, 2, and 2 more, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. See if you can write a number sentence to match your number bond on your piece of paper. Go ahead and pause the video now. Does your number sentence match mine? 2 sleepy cats plus 2 awake cats equal a total of 4 cats. Very good. If you have your problem set, go ahead and get it out now. If you don't, you may work these problems on a piece of paper with someone at your home. I'm going to read the directions to you now. The squares below represent cube sticks. Draw a line to match the number bond to the cube stick. So let's look at this one. Let's see what our total is. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's look at a number bond that starts with 5. Very good. We have this one and this one. Let's see how those are broken apart. So we broke 5 into what? 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there a number bond that shows 5 as the total of 1 and 4? Very good. Down here. 4, here's our 4 yellow, plus 1 more equals 5. Let's look at our next set of cube sticks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1 more with 5 as our total. And then it decomposed those or broke them down into 2 because we have 2 greens and 3 with 3 yellow. Our next set of cube sticks has 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we see a number bond that has a total of 4? Very good. We have 2 left. Let's look. As we decompose those or broke them down, we have 1, 2 plus 1, 2 more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are broken into groups of 2 and 2. Which number bond matches that? Very good. All right, and our last one. This shows actually a composition. So we had 3 plus 1 equals 4. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today.